is here, so we're loading all of this into the elevator because we are on the second floor. This sucks. I'm gonna take like 3 or 4 trips up and down. So, this part is now empty. So what the next plan is to get these up. So we have 2 of these shelves. We're gonna move this back out. Put the shelf here. The shelf here. Move all those shelves down because that heater is in the way. And elevate all the shelves so that a pallet could fit underneath each one, and then stuff could go on top. Tomorrow. Not today. Alright, so we decided to be smarter this time and stack it only to this height because these are heavy, they're like 50 pounds each. And we're going to stack lighter things on top so that we can move it as a pallet instead of having to unload it each and every time. Alright, yo, we just got the second rack up. Stack it only to this height because these are heavy, they're like 50 pounds each. And these are 45 to 50 pounds each, and my goodness. We just moved all of that from here by hand. And next thing is to put another one here and hopefully connect this over to there. Yeah. Alright, so it's the next day, and I worked all night, and we got a lot done. I think it's mostly all finished. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves up, and all these pallets are movable now. Once I get all this stuff out of the way, it should be movable. So pretty much the system is this. Pallets come in through here, gets unloaded here. Photography and stuff, I think I'm going to move the photography booth over to this side, but photography either gets done here or there. Items get listed. Comes over here, it gets bagged, stickered. This is the work table. And then once everything is done, it gets palleted on this end. And then once it's palleted, it gets ready for shipment and leaves this way through that elevator.